Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. In this lesson, we'll be looking at set theory. What is set? Set is a collection of objects. Objects mean numbers, things, places. Generally, this definition of set is acceptable, but precisely, set is a collection of well-defined objects. Now, take note of that word, well-defined objects. So now let's take a real example or a real life situation of what set is. Suppose a new teacher is posted to your school to teach mathematics in SS3. He goes to the library and asks the librarian, "Sir, where can I get mathematics test?" And the librarian replies that the first statement by the librarian, you will get some in the mathematics shelves. And the second statement by the librarian is you will get some in shelf 2 of the mathematics shelves. So if you look at these two statements by the librarian, when the mathematics teacher goes to the library to get a text, so the librarian replies with these two response. So he said, you will get some in the mathematics shelves and you will get some in shelf 2. You can see that two statements, the two responses by the librarians are correct, but statement 2 is more precise because it has been specified that in shelf 2 of the mathematics word shelf. So this is what set is all about. So the next thing for us to learn now is how to denote set. How do we denote set? Now, set is usually denoted by capital letters. Are we together? Why? Their members called the elements are denoted by lowercase letters. So I hope you are clear with these two expressions here. So set is usually denoted by capital letters, while the members, also known as the elements, are denoted by lowercase letters. So I hope this is clear. Okay, let's continue. Now, another important thing for you to know here is the elements, also known as the members, are usually enclosed. They are enclosed by a curly bracket. That means the bracket must be curly. So that's a curly bracket. Now, but for short, we can represent set like this. Look at, we can say X. This is the curly bracket I'm talking about. Satisfies a certain condition. So you look at X. I will explain what this means. X satisfies a certain condition. You can represent set for short like this, or X/X satisfies a certain condition. Okay, now this and this, they have name. So we now simply say where the sign this or this means such that. That's the meaning. So that means, coming back to this expression, you can simply say X such that X satisfies a certain condition. Or we can represent it like this: X such that X satisfies a certain condition. Now this is what set is all about. So let me quickly explain briefly again. I said set is a collection of objects. That is a general definition of set. But to be precise with set, set is a collection of well-defined objects. So we take illustration that when you have a mathematics teacher being presented to a particular school, so he goes to the library to ask the librarians where can he get mathematics or text. And the librarian gives these two statements that you will get some in the mathematics shelf and you get some in shelf 2 of the mathematics shelf. So that simply means that the shelf 2, which is the statement 2, is correct because it's more precise compared to what? To statement 1 by the librarian. So sets is usually noted by capital letters and their members by what? By lowercase letters. I hope that is clear. Then another thing for you to know here is that the elements of a set, also known as the members, are usually enclosed by a curly bracket, not just a bracket, but by a curly bracket. Then for short, we can represent set as X such that X satisfies a certain condition. Then we also represent it like this, X such that X satisfies a certain condition. Okay guys, students, this is what I have for you today. Please, if you like this video, kindly give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time viewing my channel. And if you have any comments, please kindly drop in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next class. Bye for now.